NASA says that the Indigenous Inuit elders warn that the sun has changed position and that the poles are already reversing. So, what does this mean for us here on Earth? We've had various pole reversals in the past. The well known American space agency NASA received a clear warning from the Inuit elders, specifically from elders of the tribe, that our world is in the shift of the Earth's poles and the sky is already changing, they said. The Inuit elders noticed that the sun has begun to be in a completely different position and that the hours of the day for hunting have been strangely extended. The weather has become unpredictable. The Inuit have also warned that not only has the sun changed position, but the moon and the stars have also moved, all of which affect temperature and wind, making weather forecasting very difficult, which is essential for their survival. Is a reversal of the Earth's magnetic poles taking place? Volcanoes, earthquakes, strange noises from the sea and the sky are signs and shocking evidence of a reversal of the poles, which, if it happens quickly, will cause chaos all over the world. It has been scientifically proven that the Earth undergoes a complete geomagnetic reversal, or pole shift, approximately every 780,000 years. These reversals are usually slow, occurring gradually over thousands of years, but at the beginning of the 20th century, new data appeared which changed the entire perspective of the subject. A pole reversal, that is, when the north and south magnetic poles of the Earth start to switch positions, reversing the magnetic polarity, a highly dangerous process takes place. Scientists tracking the history of the planet have identified 74 of these events by studying samples of the Earth's core. These come from hundreds of thousands of feet down in the ground and the thick solar polar ice. A sudden change will upset the Earth's balance so significantly that it could cause deadly earthquakes, tsunamis on a scale that can hardly be imagined by the human mind. Also, the volcanic eruptions would be so large that widespread that the ash clouds and gases could completely block the sun's rays, causing a new ice age. Scientists are looking for evidence of past Armageddon-style catastrophes, dubbed chaotic sediments, where narrow layers of the Earth filled with material in record time and became covered with ice. For scientists, these are the clear indications of a flash flood, ice melt, or ash deposits. There are indeed signs of a sharp increase in natural disasters and other strange phenomena that point to a possible pole reversal. It's widely recognized that magnetic north is the top of the planet, to which compasses and devices that depend on magnetic navigation look to. That's where they point, magnetic north. Now that point is shifting ever more rapidly towards Russia from the current location in Greenland. It has moved 400 kilometers in the last decade alone, and it is accelerating its movement. Other signs that may indicate the effects of the magnetic reversal between magnetic north and south are the unprecedented eruptions of volcanoes that have erupted around the world in recent months, earthquakes measuring 7 magnitude and higher. These spikes in seismic activity occur every 30 years or so and are a relentless acceleration of the reversal of poles from their original position. NASA is very concerned because the University of Utah recently discovered magma under Yellowstone National Park. In addition to the huge pool of molten rock and iron they already knew about, a sudden pole shift could allow magma to rise to the surface, destroying Los Angeles. So if this is done, then most of North America will be immediately destroyed and a new ice age will begin. Another question is, whatever happened 900 feet to the bottom of the sea just off the northern tip of Japan in a single night? And the area was the epicenter of the 9 magnitude earthquake that struck Japan in 2011, causing the worst tsunami ever. And finally, the strangest from the point of view of nature is the information about strange noises and rumblings coming from the sea and the skies. Scientists give the explanation of currents in the oceans as well, but no one believes them. So there's a lot of mysteries going on. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Finally, support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.